As you can see, I opened up the rear doors already, and I told them to open up the port. Okay, so I'm gonna back into. I turned it in really pretty hard here in the beginning because it was way off, as you can see. And now way back, I guess, without cracking the... This place is so freaking annoying. I hate this place. They're way off there. A little bit closer at least. So sometimes I nail this place right away. Sometimes I've had to go about like this. Alright, yeah, now it's starting to look good. Okay, yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna push down the elevator and I'm gonna go back and forth till it's perfect. And I'm gonna lower the trailer, raise the trailer as well, so it will be in the same height as the loading bay. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and leave me a thumbs up. Bye bye, take care.